Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Faith and this is Faith's Pulse. I'm a Nigerian living in Brisbane, Australia, and on this channel I talk about meaningful living, travel, and of course living tips here in Australia. At this time you already know I'm in Sunshine Coast, Coolum Beach to be precise. I've rested for like 2-3 hours after we got in, and I'm about to head out again to the other part of the beach. Before we head out, I'll just do a quick room tour and show you what the room looks like. Okay, so that's me. Just so you know, the room tour is going to be a separate video, but since I have the time now, I just thought to start up on the room tour. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys around really quickly, and yeah, if there's any other thing interesting, of course I'll show you. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys what the room looks like. Okay guys, just before we go ahead with the room tour, here are some details to help you make a very informed decision and of course help you have a great time while you're in Sunshine Coast. So this apartment is called the Beach Retreat Coolum, and their property address is 1750 David Low Way. The postcode is 4573 Australia, and it has the best proximity to Coolum Beach, guys, at just 50 meters. Like you could literally do 10 to 20 steps or even less and you'll be at Coolum Beach. It is amazing. We did the booking on booking.com. This is not sponsored, but I got a 10% discount and I thought it would be nice to mention as well, just in case you're interested. So this accommodation also has different rooms available, and most of them offer an amazing sea view. Imagine waking up to the view of the sea, of the beach. Actually, it is so beautiful. It's also a walking distance to like some local parks and some malls, so you'll definitely find something to eat if you don't want to eat at the hotel. The beach resort has various facilities for your comfort, but you'd have to check that out on bookings.com. There are a lot of them. There's like pools and all, but yeah, you should have to check that out on the website, on the app actually, if you're interested. So this room tour is basically going to be about the room where I stayed in. It's a queen size room with a sea view, of course, and I hope you enjoy watching.
Guy when the night ends, what you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out and a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights. let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck is never ever gonna dry up. No. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out and a way about you. Like you can't get enough, you can't get enough of wild nights and high fives. High fives, yeah. And wild nights, you can't get enough, you can't get enough.
Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah.
Let's hold on for a bit, guys. That view has to be my favorite part of this apartment. I just loved looking out of the door from my bed, waking up to it in the morning, and just loving the whole experience. It was just so beautiful. I also loved the beach vibe that most of the fittings in the room gave. So from the throw pillows to the duvet to the wall frames, everything was just so peaceful and relaxing and beautiful and holiday-like, if you know what I mean. I also loved that the room was clean. The bathroom was also very modern, and it was just really cozy. If you ask me, I think it was just perfect for two. Actually, if you're not a large family, you'll be fine in there. It's just a perfect staycation apartment for two, and I really loved it. If you're ever in Coolum, you should definitely be staying at the beach retreat because it just gives you the proximity you need, and I really loved it.
Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. Do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows